Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to live day trading. This is going to be actually live day trading, as you can see in the top left corner. We do have an account again, so I'm not gonna lie, I low-key did buy another Apex one. If I'm being completely honest and full transparent with you guys, I had some money in crypto, and when I say some money, I don't mean like some money as in like millions or thousands of dollars, brother. I had like 70 bucks in crypto. I literally took that out, instant transferred it into my bank account and bought a $37 Apex account. This one. Why does it do that? Right here, end of day trail, because intraday trail literally effed me up yesterday. So I bought end of day trail 50, $37. Now they do have a daily loss limit of 1,000, which is good, which means I can't build my account in one day. So, and I'm gonna be trading on ES today, no matter what. So we'll see what happens. Market literally just opened. Hourly is bearish, 4 hour is bearish, and the daily, daily is bearish too. So we're all bearish. News came out at 5:30. It was, I'm not sure if this is green or red, but which is green. So that means it's bearish too. Okay, because it's good for the dollar, bad for ES. So that's actually really good. So everything's pointing to bearish. So we'll see what happens. But one thing I want to point out is that ES didn't take out this 4 hour low, and Nasdaq did. So we'll see if ES wants to push below these lows. If we want to take out this 1 hour high and then reverse, that would be nice. But let's see what's going on right now. Nasdaq's dumping already. ES is lagging. Let's see what ES wants to do to that. We're really bearish, so if we want to take longs, like, that's sketchy. I don't know. Maybe see if we get a breakage structure here. Maybe. I'm kind of waiting for a little bit of a pullback, because every single time I've entered off the breakage structure, it comes down a little bit. The one time I don't enter. Sorry. Bro, that's unfortunate. The literal one time I don't enter right here. Yeah, that's really unfortunate. Wow. I don't. Every single time I've entered off like a breakage structure recently, price has literally come down and then like draw down and then gone back up. So that's kind of what I was waiting for. But you know, missing the move is not as bad as, you know, not even getting the move at all. So I had a feeling that's what was going to happen too. It's really unfortunate. I mean, now if I wanted to enter, I would have to wait for like us to come into like a 5-minute fair value gap and then go back up. Created this 1 minute equilibrium. Also took out this 1 hour high on ES, but not on Nasdaq. So let's watch that, because we are still bearish. If we take out this high, that would be pretty good confirmation that we do want to go to London high possibly, or if that's the only liquidity that we want, and then we reverse off that. Created this 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see if price wants to come in here. It's not looking like it, honestly. We took out this high. I mean, I can't just enter like off this. Like, that's no confirmation. Push above this high, maybe not like here. It's not even a good trade. All right, we broke structure on that one. Dude, I don't know what kind of TikToks I was just watching. This dude said he was literally feeding random strangers like donuts. Oh my gosh, that was literally brainwash. That was literally brainwash. That was kind of funny though. No, we didn't take anything. Let's see. We came into this fair value gap. Okay. Whoa, holy. Now we have no fair value gap here. Dude. I'm not even getting a setup, brother. What am I supposed to do here? Like, genuinely, what am I supposed to do here? We came into this fair value gap. When was I supposed to enter? Asia high? That's like greedy at that point, because we're still bearish, you know what I mean? So like, Asia high would be crazy. All right, we filled this. Well, if we fill it, enter right here, stops below this fair value gap, Asia. That just doesn't seem like it's gonna play out. Do we have a 15-minute high? Nah, we don't. Or 30. You could just reverse off London though. You touch this fair value gap? Dude, yeah, low-key I should have taken longs right here, but I was just trying to play it safe, so probably, I mean, we broke structure on the hourly on the 1 hour, but on both too. Yeah, let me just enter bottom wick right here. Stops below this fair value gap, and then take profit at London. Yeah, who's doing that? Let's see if this is equilibrium. Nah. Inverse on the 1 minute. Highs. Like, let's see, guys. If we go back to yesterday, let's see, the 25th, I think, in the morning. right here. So this was yesterday morning. I'm not gonna miss anything, I promise. We took out London high right here. We inverse this fair value gap right here. Right here, you see, we inverse this fair value gap on this candle, and we came up a little bit, and then we started going down lower. So this is kind of what I was waiting for yesterday. Like if we push below this low, I would have entered like here. Let's say for today, I'd have entered here. Stops like at an hourly low or something like that. Probably here or something. 2 to 7. That's kind of what I was waiting for. But we didn't get any type of like 1 minute retracement, which is what I was waiting for. Like right here when we broke structure, I was waiting for us to come down here. Once we passed above this high, I would have entered and then put stops at like, or like entered like right like here or something. And then below that 1 minute low that we would have created. Take profit could be here. This one, 1 to 6, or probably that's it. We might have had a 15-minute high. Yeah, like here maybe 2 to 4, which would have been better, obviously. So I think we broke structure around the 1 minute. Filled this 1 minute fair value gap too. I just think that we're edging London because we want to reverse it, or the Nasdaq is so much, and we're not breaking structure on the 4-hour at all anytime soon, or inversing any gaps. So longs would be like so sketchy. I know it's gonna hit London high, but yeah, I'm gonna get off chat. So yeah, this was the trade to enter off this. Stops like here or here, and then take profit literally anywhere in between this range, literally anywhere in here. I probably, realistically, I probably would have put it here because I've been getting stopped out, obviously. So take profit could have been under this candle or whatever, like this. That was the trade, or you could put it right here, and this could have been your break-even point because it's gonna hit London high. I have no doubt about it. It's just like edging it right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get off. You know, not missing a trade is way better than losing a trade. So I missed the trade yesterday too, but that wasn't my fault. That was because Apex stopped me out for some reason like that. I actually figured it out. So, but yeah, we'll be back on the charts tomorrow, bro. Did I actually stain this mother truck? We'll be back on the charts tomorrow, and thank you guys for watching. All right. Also, I literally can't take my job anymore, bro. I'm actually about to crash out. I hate it so much. Just wanted to say that real quick, just so you guys would know. Keep, you know, you're up to date. All right, see ya.